watch out for these nails.
It's okay, I already have tetanus.
Okay.
Words are failing me. Makes me think of the great poet, Sir Alvin the Chipmunk, who once said, "You're gonna like." This is it. This is the creme de la creme. You know, it's the roof, it's the terrace, it's the.
This is the creme de la creme.
That's the words.
So I guess we could take you through the scene up here.
Oh, tour de force. We've got a lake. We've got a forest.
I've been calling it the forest of cute foxes and hedgehogs because that's what's running down the streets.
We did see a hedgehog. It was pretty interesting. Yeah, and then there's the new town they call it, which is just a little bit newer construction. This is the place to be though. Here, we've got a big crazy church over here that's like thousands or hundreds or decades old. It looks it.
So all of these buildings were built in the 1600s. A lot of them got restuccoed, rebuilt, lots and lots of times renovated. And because of that, I don't want to do a full renovation, actually. I'd like to do more of a restoration.
Yep.
Back to a lot of the original stonework. If we could pull in, maybe even some of the stuff from the 60s. In the 60s, in Sambuca, it was a really important place. It was a big commercial area in Sicily, and then there was an earthquake. And a lot of people left, they got scared, they moved away, and this place kind of got trapped in time.
Yeah, and so restoring it and bringing back sort of the glory days is the main goal.
Outdoor kitchen, sink, barbecue, maybe a hot tub, I don't know.
Yeah, it's needs a lot of work, like the whole house, but
Oh my gosh.
yeah, everything is a little loose. But, you know, I imagine we'll take this mostly down to open up and have more terrace space. Maybe some form of pergola for some shade.
This is the biggest project we've probably ever done.
In a lot of ways. One, yeah, I mean, the terrace alone is a third of the square footage, and we're gonna redo the complete terrace. Just proximity to everything. We did find out there's an IKEA on the island, which is still like 3-hour drive away. So there is a place to get some fjords and some fjords.
This is where our donkey can live.